you're after miles and miles of Texas, historic towns, or celebrity sightings, yes, you heard that right. We are headed 30 miles west of Fort Worth to Weatherford, Texas. Hi, I'm Debbie Bird, your favorite Texas realtor, and I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite neighborhoods of Weatherford, Texas. So stick around so you can hear about this little neighborhood where celebrities are moving to. Now, with a population of only 35,000 people, Weatherford, a small western town 60 miles west of Dallas, has 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 2 high schools. It's not only known as the peach capital of Texas, but it's also the cutting horse capital of the world. And while you'll find plenty of cowgirls and cowboys here, it's actually the old home of Wild West legends that the story Lonesome Dove was written after. It's also recently become famous because it is now the home of Taylor Sheridan, the creator of the hit shows Yellowstone in 1883, among others. And he does lots of filming on his ranch and collects extras from the towns around. So, since you're really here to learn where you should be living in Weatherford, let's hit up my favorite neighborhoods.
Hey guys, I just want to take a break and say, if you like what you're seeing here, please, it helps me so much if you like and subscribe so that other people can find these neighborhoods. And what helps me even more is if you'll do me a favor and put a comment below about what you like about the video, other neighborhoods you would like to see, or other homes you would like to see below. And if you want to reach out to me directly, I am embarrassingly easy to find. Just look in the comments. You can find all the ways to contact me, whether other social media channels or through phone number or email. I'm there. Let's carry on.
Now, to be clear, Weatherford has not traditionally been known for its neighborhoods. It's known for its dozens of historical homes in town and for its ranches, both big and small. So if a ranch is what you're after, Weatherford, Texas has it. And almost all of them already have a horse barn, an arena, or both. But today I'm also going to point out a few neighborhood spots just in case you're more into paved roads and fenced yards. So, number 1, we have Canyon Creek Ranch. This place is 1 to 3 acre properties, and they're in the $800 to $1.5 million. They're new construction homes that are definitely on the high end, but you still have a little bit of elbow room with 1 to 3 acres. Number 2, we have Elevation Estates. Now this is a little bit lower tier. These are still 1 acre lots, which is really large, and they are in the 400 to 600 range, also new construction. And while there are dozens of other neighborhoods with older homes and resales, as well as a handful of newer subdivisions with homes as low as the 350s, the most elite of Weatherford is Silverado on the Brazos. This is where all of the celebrities live and where the ones filming live temporarily. It's got not just 1 gate, but 3 gates to enter, and has a horse arena and stables inside, as well as a boat dock to get on the Brazos River and head over to the Granbury Lake. Hidden in the middle of Weatherford and Granbury, this neighborhood has a couple of 1 acre resales on the market right now, starting in the 800s, all the way up to $4 million. So, if you're looking for a little bit of small town and also a little bit of glamour, Weatherford, Texas has it. And at just under 30 minutes to get over to Fort Worth and under an hour to get to Dallas, you cannot beat this location.